Hey Brian, it's Alfred. So this is the property at 304 Leonard Street in Herbert. So now here you see that this property, we are now at this side of the front entrance. The front entrance is this tiny little door here. So this would be the number one tree, which is a tiny one. So yeah, so shape a little bit here. Now you see that this tree number one has some tree branches that touching the roof, and the shape of it is like this. So if you could do some magic here, great. Now the second one being a larger tree, taller tree, so it's probably going up to like 30 something feet high. So this would be another tree, and this one, it's also touching the roof a little, touching the house a little, and also that it's probably got some of the branches that's kind of messed up the front door, you know, pretty close to the front door, which I don't like. And you know, all these dangling down, all these branches, I don't want them. And then this one, the third one, now this third one probably is the largest and the tallest of all. So it's outgrowing wide and tall here, and obviously it's got some branches that's touching, you know, dangling down. And this tree here has some of the branches that's sticking up just right above the sidewalk here, so that's not so cool. And then the fourth tree right at the corner here, also a big outgrowing tree, even have branches that's touching the light pole here, which is not cool. So if we could cut them away, that would be perfect. And then now this would be the fourth. See that it's, you know, touching all this light pole. And then the fifth one. So we're turning the corner now. This is the fifth one. So this is a clearer branches. It's tall, but it's not as wide growing. But it does have a branch that is kind of going actually just above the roof. I don't know how you could do this in a way that you could shape them. Anyway, and then so this is the fifth, and then now the sixth one that is totally broken, or just broke. There's a broken branch here, and then it's got a lot of this dangling down tree branches and going all the way up. Oh, I see. So there's this tree that's going across another tree. See if we could do some magic there. And then now this, the seventh tree here, which is just next to the garage. So this is how it looks like. And it's got some tree branches that is hanging up, basically scratching my truck, the top of my van here. So those will have to be gone. Those are also too close to the roof as well. So cut as much as possible. And here it's dangling down to the sidewalk. This, the eighth one, it's kind of a tree house situation. So this one is a wider tree, tall and wide, and so yeah, see if you could do shaping it. There are, as I mentioned, there are two other trees just next to the back alley here. These two trees, if you could just do cutting the lower of these branches, it'll be great. Yeah, so that's about it. If you have any questions, send me a text.